Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Here in my channel, I predominantly do planner and planner related videos, but also I sometimes do videos that pertain to listings in my Etsy shop, and this is one of those times. If that is something that is interesting to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that little notification bell so that anytime I do upload a new video, you will be notified. So I've started my own budget journey this year, and while I was making some other things for me to use, I thought I might dabble in cash envelopes, and these are the sets that I've made so far, and by the time you see this listing they will be listed in my shop. But I wanted to see if there was an interest for these kind of cash envelopes, because they are just slightly different from what I normally see people use. So let me just give you a quick run through of the 5 different sets that I have available. Now they are coordinating in a fashion. So these are the 4 that are in these sets, and they are all different. Here on the front, and there's probably a crazy glare, and I'm sorry for that, but these are laminated. This label sticker is actually underneath the label or the laminate, so that you could use a regular Sharpie to write your category of this cash envelope. Although I think they're cute enough that if you wanted to give these away as cash envelopes, like a gift, I think that'd be really cute. And you could put happy birthday or happy retirement or happy teacher's day or whatever it is that you're giving this for. I think that would be really cute there. And in order to remove the Sharpie, you could just use either nail polish remover or alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And thank you, Tara Gay Nicole, for that tip, because I wasn't really sure how that worked. And so these are the 5 that will come in the listing. And again, like I said, by the time you see this, these will be listed on my shop. And what's different about these is I do have them so that they close. So they are, there's 2 Velcro system here, and then the envelope there. And what will come with each of these cash envelopes is 2 cash envelope transaction logs, just so that you can keep track of what's going on in your envelope. But again, if you decided to use this as just as a decorative envelope to give as part of your gift, you could just take those out. And I will link in both the Etsy listing as well as below a post that I put on my blog recently that has a free PDF of that transaction log that you can print and cut as needed. So this is one set that will be available, and they're all pretty much like this. So this will be the next set that is available. And again, they are all made in the same way. They do measure 7 and, I just have that measurement here, 7.5 long by 3 5/8 high, so definitely big enough to hold your money. And again, the label is underneath the laminate, so you can write on it with a Sharpie, and then if you change your budget envelope category, then you can just erase it again with an alcohol-based sanitizer or nail polish remover, and then you can write over again, letting everything dry. So this is the next set. Again, all of them are built the same. And so this is, and I hope this is in frame, the next set. And the way that I made them is I put the 2 Velcros on the side versus in the middle. I just think it'll be a lot more secure that way. And then there is this set. And I like the variety of colors. I actually pulled all the colors from this paisley print here. That's what inspired all of the other colors. And again, they are all fully laminated, so they will be more durable than if you just had regular paper envelopes. And then there is this set right here. And again, they are all laminated, and the corners here are rounded and the corners here are rounded as well. So there's very minimal risk of poking yourself, because laminated corners can be quite sharp. And again, all of the boxes are underneath the laminate so that you can write over them again and again if you do change out your categories. And then the only one that's a little different from this style are these right here, and that's only because there's only 4 of them. And so they will be a little bit less than those there. When I was making them, I miscounted, or something happened where I only have the 4 instead of the 5, and I just wanted to get it listed because I don't know that anyone's actually even interested in these, and so I won't make any more until I can determine whether there is an interest or not, just because I don't want to keep making things and having them on hand, because these are all ready to ship and they just sit here. So these are the cash envelopes that have been listed in my shop. If you're interested, I'll have the links to each individual one below, so it'll take you directly to that listing. And as always, guys, aloha.